Hi again. So, mm, let us talk about communication gap happening at office space. What happens is, suppose a person joins in the office space who is new to that particular surrounding and the work culture that is there. So, no matter how experienced he is, he will be kind of sidelined for the first few months. At times what happens, the sidelining of things happen if the person is overqualified. mm, and who going forward will deserve a better position in that thing. So irrespective of what position he is recruited in, it is very likely that in the pretext of not having proper communication, he will be relegated to position of slightly on importance. So how to prevent this? So there are two, three quick solutions for it. See, you have to establish routine communication. You don't have to share your whole idea while you communicate. You just outline your work of action, whatever you are going to do, and what idea is there, why you want to do that. So, what you communicate in a email or say in your communication note, that it is kind of this particular task will take this requirement, this much of time, this kind of support, and this kind of intervention from our side, and going forward, what will be our responsibility overall at the organizational level. All this outline is enough for communicating with people at a senior level who are dealing, and to your peers and even the juniors. It is always very important in a private setup to have very good communication with your seniors, and keep it formal uh, in the public spaces, public organization spaces. So they are very rigid in their communication system, and that has to be followed. But in the private institution space, when it is very flexible as to how you can work, so there you can bring in your innovative idea and take it forward if you have better communication with your team and your seniors. Uh, the seemingly seniors who have been handling that particular aspect mm, in that space. So that is very much required. And uh, in terms of logistic, so that is one aspect. Like say, if you keep people informed about the logistic, the various some people are there who actually look for your communication thing only. They are not thinking about what what the ultimate outcome will be. So keep it formal and keep it mandatory for yourself also. Thank you.